Bwinners is original manufacturer and supplier of fiber optic and FTTx solutions products. Bwinners has over 15 years in FTTx products line. Bwinners provides a reliable warranty timely after-sales service for you. Bwinners can always satisfy your different needs in your telecom and related project. If you are looking for a professional fiber optic and FTTx solutions supplier, then Bwinners will be your best choice. Would you like to know more? Contact us. Bwinners is a professional fiber optic distribution box supplier in China. Bwinners manufactures fiber distribution box over 10 years. Bwinners provides quality assurance, timely after-service, fast delivery. Fiber distribution box is designed to distribute the switch ports or other equipment at work. Fiber distribution box provides solid protection and management for the FTTx network building. If you have demands for your network system project, please feel free to contact us for more details.
Get a little closer. This was your chance.